You what? Caught it? How was it? No, really.
No, it's really delicious.
Really?
Yep, I love it.
Thank you. Cooking.
Adobo. Bay leaves.
Bay leaves. Nay. Very simple. Vinegar. Can you smell that?
Yeah,
What's that smell?
adobo.
Adobo. Napagod ang kusinera. Now you have to remove the sabaw. Ang tawag doon. The sauce.
Ay, ano yung laman?
Hay sabaw tapos ibabalik. Dandan, let's try it. Kiman time. Rasyon. Okay na. This is Filipino adobo. It tastes good.
Ay, maalat.
Hindi. No, hindi maalat.
Ayos lang.
Mas masarap pag walang ano. Yung aso. Yung mamasitas ba yun na ano? Ito natural. Na walang ano yung mamasitas na adobo.